Saudi Arabia is officially known as the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia with its capital as Riyadh. The country is situated in Western Asia and is governed by an absolute monarchy. The nation is presently ruled by King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud. It is here that Islam was born and the Muslims come to visit their shrines in Mecca and Medina. It was ranked first in the Middle East for having the largest economy in 2018. Their economy is dominated by oil, which forms a major part of their economy. Its GDP rank is 36th and 12th in nominal and PPP respectively on as per the International Monetary Fund Standards, 2018. It has the 91st freest economy in 2019 index. Their overall score has gone up by 1.1 points because of the labor and business freedom, government spending, freedom to invest and business freedom. It stands 9th amongst 14 countries of the Middle East and North Africa. Saudi Arabian economy thrives on petroleum and petroleum products. It holds 16% of the world's petroleum reserves and contributes about 85% of the revenue of the Saudi government. Sunni and Shia sects of Islam always cause communal fights and are a threat to the economy. The government has undertaken several measures to make reforms in the social and economic sectors in order to boost foreign investment and strengthen its economy. Industries. Saudi Arabia is the world's largest exporter of oil in the world and the second largest in the world in terms of production. Extraction of oil is easy because they are close to the surface of the earth, giving them an upper hand. Petroleum sector contributes 42% of their nation's GDP. To reduce the dependency of the population on oil, the Saudi government has encouraged the expansion of other sectors such as manufacturing. Some important manufacturing production includes petrochemicals, pipes, rolled steel, plastics, cement, copper wire, aluminum products and more. There are several other minerals that are hidden in the Saudi Arabian lands, which include silver, gold, titanium, lead, iron, cadmium, zinc and pyrite. There are deposits of non-metallic resources that have been found, which include gypsum, limestone, gypsum and silica. Agriculture is a small sector here because of the limited rainfall that they receive in the year. However, you will find the finest dates here, making Saudi Arabia one of the largest producer of dates. Rule of law. Islamic rules and practices govern private property protection rights. The judicial system is not independent and all the decisions are taken in coordination with the executive branch. Although the government took several steps to lower the corruption in the nation, but culpability and honesty are things that are missing in society. Since there is a monarchy in the nation, the royal family and the elites of Saudi Arabia control the oil sectors. Saudi Arabia present. Saudi Arabia increased its exports in their third quarter of 2018. This increase is expected to grow in the fourth quarter too. However, their exports are expected to go down by 2020.